to, let me see, because I really don't know where am I going. And but the best part about this is this river. You can see there are many river sports happening over here. You have kayaking, you have paddleboard, you have the small shack. You can sit and chill. Yahan pe. This is how the waterfall, artificial waterfall, looks like in the swimming pool. Then they even have a private gym. If you don't have anything to do, you can go and gym. Then they have this restaurant, the Tinge, which serves amazing non-veg food. And this was the view from my room, which was so calming, so peaceful. मतलब ना पैसा वसूल है. In short, if you want to be away from all the toxicity and drama, this is the resort you definitely have to visit. इसके टाइमिंग्स है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे भी टाइमिंग्स होते हैं for all the activities. You have these bikes, and you have these sports bikes, ATV rides, and this is how the property looks from the river. Okay, there's kayaking and paddleboat. As I said, this was my second day's buffet for the breakfast, which had almost the same things. थोड़ा सा यहाँ 19-20 था, बाकी सारा सेम ही था. Don't have high hopes for the breakfast. They even make pancakes and dosa and uttapas for you if you want on your special request. And this is how the property looks. Now I'm taking you to this another special place, the Beehive, which is very very spacious, very very beautiful. And यहाँ पे 2 रूम है. ये हॉल है, एंड राइट साइड पे एक रूम है, लेफ्ट साइड पे एक रूम है. दिस अगेन हैज़ अ प्राइवेट स्लाइड विद अ प्राइवेट pool facing the river. Okay, so you can just sit and enjoy. And they even have this glass flooring where you can, sit and see. This guy was just admiring himself, and you know what he did? I'll tell it to you later. He just locked me in this beehive thinking that I had left. So this is the interiors and of the washroom, and this is another room. The rooms are quite nice and decent. And this is how he opened me after remembering that I'm locked up. This was a small little chick that we were troubling. And anyways, on my way back home, so please, if you enjoyed, do visit this place. It's one of the best resorts you're ever gonna visit.